What's up? Look, I just want to give a quick little startup tutorial for this NewFans application that you can get right now. Tester app, free on Google Play. Check it out. Getting started is pretty easy. Up top, we're going to want to create an account. Go ahead and enter an email. Add that password. Create that account. There you go. Opportunity to choose whether you're a fan or an artist. If you're an artist, it's a very different selection, and being a fan, we'll tap into fan on this one. Alright. Those features: you discover new artists, support independent artists, stay in contact with your favorite indie artists, and go to online events hosted by that artist. Automatically makes you select 3 people. As you can see, there's people there. Boom. See who that guy is. Who's that Jaicebones cat? Let's see. Some Trilla Ace. And some Young Boss Crook. Let's go. Alright. Let's go ahead and just add your little photos. Let's see, that's one of the homies. Anyway. NewFans handle. Alright. Date of birth. Country. Washington. Alright, there you go. We're all in. Search for your artists, check them all out, even broken down by different genres. Down here on the bottom, your task bar, your options bar, you get to choose the events. If there are any by the subscribed artists that you have, you get to choose their events right there and get registered with them. Just a player playlist. This is what items you have in your library that you've gotten from other artists. And then that human button is where you get to get to your settings and be able to make adjustments on your profile. Alright, that's just a simple breakdown of a great application. Thanks, y'all.